What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in today's video we'll be talking about the upcoming Realme 9 Pro smartphone and its specifications and what can you expect from this smartphone alongside its pricing. So if you're new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you've done that, let's get started. So the very first thing, let's talk about its display. The Realme 9 Pro indeed come with an AMOLED display, and it will be a 6.5 inch of a Super AMOLED display, and you will be getting a support up to full HD plus resolution, and also the high refresh rate will be also present in the smartphone, and it will be a 120 high refresh rate. Not only that, you will also be getting an on-screen fingerprint scanner as well as the face unlock feature for the security of the device. Now talking about the performance, then it will come with an octa-core processor, and it will be a Snapdragon 730 processor to power the Realme 9 Pro smartphone. Now it will also be coupled with a 6GB of RAM and 64GB of a base storage, and it can also go up to 8GB of RAM and 120GB of internal storage. The phone will indeed run on the Realme UI built on over the Android 11, and you will not be getting an Android 12 right now out of the box of this smartphone. And talking about the cameras, then it will come with a quad camera setup with a primary camera of a 108 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel of an ultra wide, 5 megapixel of depth sensor and 2 megapixel of a macro camera. Now on the front, it is expected that you will be getting a dual punch hole selfie cutout in the shape of pill, and it will be a 16 megapixel of a primary camera and 2 megapixel of a depth sensor for portrait shots. Now on the battery capacity side, the Realme 9 Pro will come with a massive battery of 6000 milliamp, and it will indeed support a fast charging support up to 33 watts, and it will be of USB Type-C charging support. Now it will also come with a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.4, 4G, VoLTE and USB OTG, GPS, Gone Glass and other specifications which you generally get from a smartphone. Now talking about the expected price of this smartphone, then the Realme 9 Pro is expected to be launching at around 15 to 18,000 price bracket in India, because above 20,000 what we find is the Realme GT smartphone series. Generally the Master Edition is available for just over 20,000 rupees, so it won't be taking that Realme GT Master Edition's place. Now on the launch date, then the phone is expected to be launching in India on January 2022, and that's all you can expect from this smartphone right now. So if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, thumbs down based on your opinion, whatever you feel about this video. If you enjoyed, then consider subscribing, and if you didn't, then you know what to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.